5 seconds. From the center, my ministry is funding the state for forming comprehensive mobility plan for all the cities. So, if a city comes forward to formulate a comprehensive mobility plan, the center would help to the extent of 80% for formulating the plan and to the extent of 50% for preparing a detailed project report in this regard. The census is done under the authority of the Census Act 1948. Census 2011 will be the 15th national census since 1872 and the 7th since independence. Census 2011 will be conducted in two phases. The first phase is called the house listing and housing census, and the second phase is called the population enumeration. The question to be canvassed during the two phases were decided on the basis of suggestions made during the data users conference, experience of past census, and the recommendations of the Technical Advisory Committee comprising eminent demographers, statisticians, social scientists, and senior officers representing different ministries and departments of the central government. The Citizenship Act is a separate law. The Citizenship Act was amended in 2003, and the Citizenship Registration of Citizens and Issue of National Identity Cards Rules 2003 were notified on December 10, 2003. Rule 2.1 talks about population register. It is the register containing details of persons usually residing in a village or rural area or town or ward or demarcated area within a ward in a town or urban area. Rules 2K defines National Register of Indian Citizens as the register containing details of Indian citizens living in India and outside India. Rule 2N defines State Register of Indian Citizens as the register containing details 700 of Indian citizens usually residing in the state. Sub-rule of Rule 3 mandates the Registrar General to establish and maintain the National Register of Indian Citizens, and Sub-rule 4 thereof directs the preparation of a population register. Rule 4 specifies the steps to be taken during the enumeration. One of the steps is house-to-house enumeration for collecting specified particulars relating to each family and individual, including their citizenship status. It further says that the particulars collected of every family and individual in the population register shall be verified and scrutinized, and in case of doubtful citizenship, the individual of the family shall be informed immediately after the verification process is over. Therefore, under the rules made and notified in 2003, the rules require preparation of both the population register and also the register of citizens. From the center, my ministry is funding the states for forming comprehensive mobility plan for all the cities. So, if a city comes forward to formulate a comprehensive mobility plan, the center would help to the extent of 80% for formulating the plan and to the extent of 50% for preparing a detailed project report in this regard. The census is done under the authority of the Census Act 1948. Census 2011 will be the 15th national census since 1872 and the 7th since independence.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.